Hi and welcome. My name is Vakile. We continue with this triad formation on the bass to try and play some grooves that are known. We know some of the grooves, but we just wonder how they are played. So with the triad formation, for example, that's the root on the A there, and the this is A and this is your D and this is E up here. So the root is A, the fifth is D here, and the fourth is D, and the fifth here is E. Fifth is E. Okay, so you take an A major triad, and an D major triad, and an E major triad. Okay, that's what we are playing here. Let's play a groove, kind of in style of a reggae kind of thing, you know. So there we are with a groove there that we can beef up. So what you have noticed with this groove, what I've done, because I got a root here, and I got a fourth here, and I got a fifth thread. Now taking an octave from here, you get that, because this is a fourth and this is a fifth. So I have gone an octave. Okay. That's an octave up here. Okay, it's an octave up. So this is beautiful. We can form we can play a lot of reggae using this kind of formation that I've just shown you, where your fingers form major thirds on two strings, major triads, sorry, on two strings. You can also form other triads like the minor triad. Actually, there are about 13 triads that you can form. Okay, which I'm going to show you in dedicated triad lessons. This is just a groove section of my channel. So I'm gonna delve deep into all the triads that we have so far. You know, the 13 triads, types of triads that we have, and their inversions. Okay, so just you keep watching this channel. I'm gonna deliver that one, and that's gonna boost your bass playing, you know, in all areas of music. So this is just to begin with a major triad. A major triad is formed by 1, 3, 5. The degrees 1, 3, and 5 of the major scale. Okay, thank you very much for listening and watching this beautiful channel. My name is Vakile, and I urge you to subscribe, please, and I'll bring you some more grooves, techniques, and a lot more besides. Cheers. Bye.